Hi, this is Bernd. Today I brought the new Mini Countryman with me. The Countryman is the biggest and most practical Mini. It is the only Mini we offer as a plug-in hybrid, a diesel or petrol version, with a manual or automatic transmission and with or without all-wheel drive. Let me show you a few of the updates. A new front and rear end design, new LED headlamps, fog lights and rear lights, new piano black exterior and new exterior colors, new wheels, new digital cockpit and new central instrument, new interior colors and surfaces. To me, the Mini Countryman is the most adventure-ready Mini. It drives like a Mini, not just in day-to-day traffic, but also on long-distance trips and in unsurfaced terrain. I'm convinced the new Mini Countryman will add inspiration to your life.